Alright, so we're going to make corn on the barbecue. Corn on the barbecue. So what we want is you want to peel the leaves back like this. Take off all of the little hairs is what I call them. I don't know exactly what they're called. And then what we're going to do is salt and pepper on them and butter. And you put this back like this. Like that. Wrap it in tin foil and then you put it on the barbecue. So we have our corn all ready to go. Somebody got a little excited and took the corn right off the cob. Okay, so I'm going to check the butter. The butter's good.
Yeah, this is your magic powers. This is magic. That's your magic. Like that is disappeared. Like the camera disappeared. Magic, magic, magic.
So what we're going to do here is grab the corn. We're going to put it over a plate, dunk it in our butter, and we're going to put butter all over the corn.
What?
Then some salt and pepper. And then you just take the husk and put it back around the corn. Then you take your tin foil and you want to make like a cocoon. Wrap it all up like this. Nice and tight, and done.
But you need to move your hands. I don't have to keep on telling you.
I'm a digger.
Move your hands.
Thank you.
Like this. Can I wrap it up?
I move right in that corn. I'm going to get.
Try out you.
Moving. Why is the grandma's moving? Yeah, why is the grandma's moving? Excuse me. Sorry.
We'll just do something about that
We got, I don't even know how many wings. A couple dozen wings in here. So we're going to cut off all the tips. And we're going to slice them down the center. Just like that.
Bye, we're going.
because we need them small for us.
All of them.
And they're all small.
Crunch it.
Alright, so we got all the wings set up, all done here. Alright, as you can see here, all I'm doing is adding seasoning salt to the wings. Lightly coat them completely. Once they're all coated, we will be putting them into the rotisserie basket. Here's the rotisserie basket that we're going to add the wings to. The basket will actually hold a lot of wings, probably about 50 wings if you were able to get them in there. This basket is made by Napoleon and is a very good quality basket. You can order the basket on Napoleon's website, or your local Home Depot should have it in Canada, that is anyway. Alright, as you see here, I'm going to loosen the wing nuts so that we can insert the rod into the basket. This will be a little hard if it's tight, so wiggle the chicken wings around so that you can get the rod through. Once you have the rod through, center the basket on the rod and tighten those wing nuts up. Let's get ready to grill. Alright guys, we got the basket. I'm going to put the basket right in here. Get this locked in. The back burner on low, we're going to turn it up to medium-high. What I'm going to do right before it continues is we're going to move this whole basket over in the center of that back burner. Alright, turn it on. We're going to let these cook for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to throw the corn on. So now that we have the corn on, we'll close the lid for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on. All I'm trying to do is glaze the wings a little bit. This is going to make it a little bit more difficult to clean the basket afterwards, but it's worth it. Alright, so we'll let that rotisserie keep going for a little bit longer. I'll come back and check the corn in a little bit. Alright, I think that's going to be enough for today. The kids are hungry, and so am I.